everyone, introduce myself. My name is Widya Sibuan with NPM 20120015.
Hello all, introduce myself. My name is Julie Franska Mora, NPM 20120024.
Explain our topic about translation and linguistics. Translation activities cannot be separated from the influence of linguistic aspects. Mastery of linguistic aspects can affect the translation work produced by a translator. The higher the understanding aspects possessed by a translator, the better the translation results will be. And then, this linguistic aspect can provide a solid foundation for a linguist to become a good translator. Like with students who are learning to translate existing linguistic aspects will provide a critical foundation in carrying out translation activities. Translation and linguistics are two things that cannot be separated. The concept of translation involves transferring good linguistic units to work up to different schools, so that the results of the translation can be well read and understood. Although not the only aspect of language, it is important to pay close attention in carrying out translation activities and studies. Therefore, there is an assumption that linguistic elements are the foundation of activities and translation studies because of the meaning and form of the language being transferred.
Okay, here I will continue the material that was previously explained. In general, aspects of language or linguistics have an impact on the field of translation, but in translation theory and practice, several aspects of language starting from morphology, syntax, and even semantic or linguistic domains that can support translation in terms of study and practice. Adequate knowledge in linguistic aspects can reduce the ambiguity of meaning in ST into TT to maximize adequate translation results. Therefore, the search for solution to translation problem cannot be avoided from good language problem with functional and structural paradigm. Therefore, an adequate understanding of language aspect becomes an important part for translator. There are 3 points about translation and linguistics, namely: point 1, translation as an applied linguistic; point 2, semantic in translation; and point 3, pragmatic in translation. Now I will explain for point 1. Translation as an applied linguistic. Applied linguistics is an inter- and transdisciplinary approach. Translation is a complex process science that needs for interdisciplinary science. Better production of the translation will be achieved through better linguistic competence, and therefore is no language is the word that have same system. For example, ST or sumber teks. Dia adalah ibuku. TT2 or target text 1. She is my mother. TT2 or target text 2. She am my mother. And the last TT3 target text 3. She are my mother. This perspective makes translation an extraordinary phonemic. Phonemon. Translation not only transcoding but also transfer of the meaning behind the structure.
Okay, now we definitely know what linguistics is in translation, so we can conclude about the topic of material regarding linguistics in translation. Translation activities cannot be separated from linguistic problems, understanding various and elements and concepts in linguistics. And then in linguistics can provide a description of how translation problems and can be properly resolved for practical studies. And so, the linguistic aspect of translation is not only but in area that is directly related to translation. Several other aspects also needed good attention, including cultural issues that can be related to translator, source text, and target text, or studies of cultural and translation. And thank you for watching to our presentation, to our group, and we say thank you and see you next time. Bye!